Hello, David Sanderson here with Werner Ladder Company. Hope you're doing well. Hope this video finds you safe and healthy, and hopefully your business is prosperous. Wanted to touch base regarding the Werner Ladder specials that will be running during the roadshow. We will be running our aluminum and fiberglass step and extension ladders in your key sizes, mostly 6 and 8 footers in your steps, and your 16, 20, 24, and 28s in your extensions, in lightweight homeowner duty rating as well as your industrial heavier duty rating. So check with your Wallace salesperson or the Wallace website for specifics on pricing. But what I want to also make you aware of today is a new category Wallace has taken a stocking position in, is with Werner Ladder's aluminum pump jack systems. Pump jacks have been around for a while, and they start out with steel pump jacks that would actually chew or climb up two 2x4s nailed together, and they weren't very safe. They really weren't consistent, and there was a need to create a better system. So when they designed the next generation, if you will, they created extruded aluminum poles and aluminum pump jacks. And with that, I'll try and share on my screen is somewhat of a picture of what the system incorporates. And hopefully, as you can see, you have your poles. The poles are 24 foot, 18 foot, 12 foot, and 6 foot long. There is a connector. You can stack these poles up to 50 feet. That's the maximum allowable by OSHA. So you have your poles, your pump jacks. You have a workbench that cantilevers off the back side of the system that acts as a place to put materials. Some folks even take a saw up there, for a chop saw for cutting angles, but it also acts as a guardrail. You also see you have a safety net, and you have your end rails, and you also have braces that actually connect the system, the poles, to the structure. So it is a complete system. There are a lot of parts and pieces, so don't let it overwhelm you. We're here to help you. But if you notice, there's 2 people on there, and it is a 500-pound duty rated system. So if you want to have a 500-pound duty rated system, you need 500-pound rated walk boards. And with that, Wallace is also taking a major stocking position with Werner's 2-man or 2-person 500-pound rated walk boards. They've always carried our 1-person 250-pound rated walk boards. Those are 12 inches wide. They're available in 12 foot, 16 foot, 20 foot, and 24 foot lengths. But when they brought the pump jacks in, I asked them to bring in some of the 2-man 500-pound rated walk boards and a variety of widths, which they have done. And they've also brought in a variety of lengths. So all this is on the Werner website. I don't know how well you can see this, but they are stocking actually up to a 32-foot 2-person walk board. And I want you to keep that in mind, because it is hard to find a 32-foot walk board. They're also stocking 28-foot walk boards, 24-foot walk boards in the 2-person rating. Again, that's 500-pound rated, and they have a variety of widths. So if you could check with your Wallace salesperson or the Wallace website for the specifics on the exact widths and lengths, that would be good. But I wanted you to be aware of this, because one thing is these systems, they can provide a tool for your customer that they can't find everywhere. And with Wallace's stocking position with this, there's several things you can do to take advantage of that. Number one, if you have an opportunity to sell this, you're not paying freight. And as we've all experienced, freight's not cheap. So Wallace can provide these products through their warehouse on their weekly delivery to your locations. So this could be a great opportunity to provide your customer with a tool they need, but they can't find everywhere. There's going to be another video coming up after this. It's going to be a little more detailed regarding how the system goes together, the components, how they're connected, how you properly set the system up, and how you properly use the system. That'll be coming up next. I hope you can stay around and check it out. I want you to know I'm available to help you in any way. I'd love to help you secure an order or 2 with these systems, because I promise you, once you get an order of a pump jack system, especially if we can incorporate the walk boards, it'll motivate you to want to try to sell more, because it's a very nice ticket item. My number is 336-210 1090. My email is davidlsanderson1@gmail.com, and that's just the numeral 1. And then the Werner website is www.wernerco.com, and that's WERNERCO.com. Hope this is useful information for you, and I appreciate your time, and I appreciate your business, and I hope we all will be able to be together in October and see each other again. But if there's anything I can do to help you, let me know. Thank you.